You've decided it's time to buy a new car. You think the price you see is the selling price of the vehicle? Think again. The fine print may hold several surprises. First, the dealer processing charge may not be included. In Maryland, that can be up to $100. Second, for new cars, the freight charge may not be included. That can vary greatly from vehicle to vehicle and often can be over $500. Third, rebates and incentives may or may not be deducted. There may be language in the fine print that states, includes all factory rebates and incentives. This means that the rebates have already been deducted, but does not tell you what the rebates are or how much they are. If the car advertisement does not specify the rebates, you can't tell whether the dealer is giving you a good price or not. In addition, you may not even be entitled to all of the rebates and incentives that are included. That's because there are two kinds of rebates: general availability, which are available to all, and limited availability, which only are available to certain purchasers. For example, previous owners of the same make or model of vehicle, first-time buyers, or college graduates. Some rebates are dependent on how the vehicle is financed. If you want the low-rate financing, you can't also get the rebate. Sometimes the fine print says a down payment is required to get to the price stated in the ad. This is called balance advertising, and it is not legal in Maryland. Then there's the tax, which can be quite hefty. It's based on the price after adding in the dealer processing charge and, for new cars, the freight charge, and before subtracting any rebates or down payments. So, to sum it up, you've got to do some homework, math in particular, before you walk into the car dealer to buy. Know what fees you are expected to pay and what rebates or incentives are available to you, so there will be no surprises.